Your last shot, bro.
This is beautiful. You know, the meat is enjoyable. Yeah?
Like, how does it feel? How did you feel when
it's not yet gone?
So you're okay because it's not yet gone.
Until it's gone.
So we wanted first to get the blood. Now we are done with the first process.
Wait, this thing is still alive. Take off. Oh my god, it's headless.
Now it's the...
Is it okay? I might take off.
Now we go to the process of getting meat.
For the first time.
Now, we are in the second stage of separating the intestine with the meat. This is the most delicate part.
Delicate again?
Yes. Steve.
So what is that for?
And let us put it in.
Here washing cakes, which will be eaten sometime from now.
By who?
us, of course, celebrating Naomi's birthday.
How many people are you expecting?
More, around 20 or more. You know, she's a person of people, so she has a lot of friends. People love her, we love her. That's why we are here in Samarkand. Nakwambia wale wageni tuna expect hapa si mchezo.
Kama wapikia ugali ama sukuma na nini?
Ugali lazima, kuna wale wa rice iko. Like anyone who's going to have fun bila nataka.
Kama nika drink kako.
Kinywaji na gani?
So far tutasema tu soft drink. Hizo ingine tutatoa siri baadaye.
Omlambe. Nilikuja nikiwa mnyonyi lakini nimefundishwa unyenyi. Sasa hapa na nyinya.
Umenyenya mbori. Sasa tuko karibu kumaliza
mwenyeji.
Wakingoso cha birthday ya mwana wetu. Sasa hapa chini.
Banyenyi ndo hawa.
Ate kwa mwako rusimba kachianga.
Tumefika level what?
Hii ni level 4. Tukifika level 6 watu watakuwa wamepona.
6 ndio final, 6 ndio kula.
Sasa hapa tumeenda local kabisa ndio tukupata ile waya.
Hiyo grill iko.
Haitanuka moshi.
Unataka kukula harufu ama nyama? Kita dia nyama.
May your new year bring blessings, success. May you grow and float in the world. May you live as your life shines through.
Bless you.
Bless you too. Alafu, all the best in everything you do, in all your endeavors. Alafu, let this be a mark of family. Us staying here this long is a bond. It's a great bond. Acha tuendelee hivyo hivyo, hata mimi nikizaliwa next year. I hope tutakuwa hivi tungoje hadi saa 6. All the best.
Tuakire kunyamona so 25. I say birthday.
Aya.
I want to talk kwa birthday.
Aye jina gya
Mimi akenga turu jina gya direte ko
chapu.
Again, happy birthday again.
I appreciate you by the manze, hii dunia iko na many hasa. lakini God God love you, man.
Woman.
God love this woman.
Yeah, lawyers were squeezing him, man. So.
God loves all of us.
Who can say anything better than God loves this guy, man?
Unless he's here now.
God loves this guy.
I wish you the best. I wish you all you guys the best.
Thank you, man.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you, man.
Thank you, man.
Bwana Kemunto, asama tukura kumanyire. Na nima eteno wata mashabiki abange sana bawe chakataka babara. But we count ourselves privileged to go among the few baribacha go sangisia kenyako. Ikono ne nyange nyo jakaro sekeni bishwa na otoka kirasi toto wakati. Igomine musmani kwa kirasi oriata banga nyarugiriata banga. Miaka na nyeko nyagocha yengo nyagotonyorio chi process nchirita keri go ikirani. Tonyoru. You have more guys, more young people who look up to you. That's right. You should be a good role model. You know your weaknesses. If you have them, if you recognize them, work hard to make them your strength. So that you have an I want to be like Kemunto. I want to be like Kemunto. So, mno mwakuna gocha, wisdom to nya usabiri comment. For your personal achievements, was we kiribon, otogo sababa mi kirobe, international. Of course you are, but you know you can be a household name.
Global.
Internal.
No matter.
Global.
So that ya karena na Bible baga te baba korra, muburia korra ko no mwana yo muiseke. Manyango musiko yense bwari tuli komo sari. Matendres even nesa. So that if I go to Kurangiri to men young upcoming girls and even gents, Pamanyanga, we have the right person or mature, Kuruasi Kirenchira Jones, Nakimoikano, Uchikanisa, which I hope you do. Go Savernaro, Ukunya Ukina, Kimobere Naro, otherwise, spiritually, emotionally, Kilian Siani. Ukujato sabera wenzi bokubwat ebisibiyonzi bikuyimukere bakoja go to atane David. Na we personally I'm grateful. I'm one of your friends. Na yabatinda akwanya munuraga ni, but I think I'll do my best given a chance. Mbiya manasa wantegera bane batanga naigo mwancho mategera.
I greet you in the name of our Lord, in the name of the matchless Savior, Jesus Christ. How are you guys?
Amen. We are good.
Happy birthday to one girl who I know is a renowned artist, celebrated local and national artists, because the other day when I was watching my TV, I saw her come up in some kind of program. And even if I don't watch it a lot, because I don't watch any TV, but I saw her and I was so excited. The reason why I was so excited, and beyond excitement, there was motivation. You know, if a person that I hang around with and we're in the same field with, and we can almost do equally the same kind of job, she can learn in that job. That means I can equally learn in the same job or even a better job. Years back, birthdays were not emotional in Africa because most of the Africans were born in a time which is not recorded, including myself. If only you had a parent who can record the day you were born, you're the luckiest person in Africa or in Kenya or on Earth. Because sisi wengine, sometimes I set my birthday because I'm not exact when I was born. Na yakanga kama tarehe 15, so that at least my friends come on and say, hey, happy birthday. But I know my age at least. Neza kwa less 1 year or exactly above 1 year or the exact age. This is what I'm saying. You said I encourage people. I'm bringing a word from the book of Ephesians, chapter 2 and 10. Can read my Bible. The Bible says, this is a blessing I want to speak over your life because of what you're doing, so that you're encouraged to know a day is coming when some of us will not be in your birthday because you'll be so far away, or we will not feel so fit to lead this birthday. Some well-celebrated MCs will be there to take over this birthday. And so for this reason, because I'm a visionary and I know I can prophesy. And for that reason I'll say, let me be the reason to say the bigger comings ahead of you, so that at least you can remember me and say, hey, you know what? You're going to come to my birthday because you prophesied this. So from Ephesians 2:10, the Bible says, for we are his workmanship, created in Christ Jesus unto good works, which God hath before ordained that we should walk in them. Amen. There's a part of the Bible that says, you know, I knew you before you were created in your mother's womb. I chose you and ordained you. And that's what is happening right now. Ni wakisi wangapi wanaweza taka kuwa actors na hawajakuwa hawa actors. There's so many guys out there who envy you. Much as you do something and you say, by the way, hata nisiact kwa niko nini. There are people who look up to you, envy you, and say, I wish huyo Kemunto anasema angekuwa ni mimi. Zile maajabu ningefanya sijui. We can be gifted, we can be in some position, and we take it for granted just because we are there. But if you stand in your brother or your sister's shoe who is looking up to you, you know what you carry within yourself. It is great. And for that reason, because Mungu ametu gift, ndaka uitumie vizuri. As we celebrate one more year in your life, ndaka to celebrate. Now the next time we celebrate your life, you'll have something to tell us. By the way, from the last birthday, I think I'm better right now.
Amen.
That's what all of us need. So just know, on behalf of a very good man who's not here, now because the only closest person here right now, I know we're close all of us, but I think your brother is much more closer than everyone else. For the reason of your brother, I want to wish you, Naomi, the happiest birthday. And let me assure you from today, if you believe me, the next time you're celebrating your happy birthday, it's not going to be here. It's going to be somewhere where your heart desires all the time in your life. May God bless you. May God help you in your works. In His love.
Mwana umedonga ngo serikali mwako moya. Asoko iboro kwaye. Hateto akingambia mwana singe njamu kirichinga kiji mwenyechiga. Abasani bae. Wale omwanchi na adamu anchi twaka mwakera ngambia mwana. Munguru achire singe nje yae. Na batayinga ki gatosange. Ingane yamo. Mga abantu abatoherero, abantu abangwana. Yasaye kagotora kibinte byo bikatogora. Yasaye nakubisusenya. Como umwako kredito kuri kunyagosia moka. Kaona we. Sasa niko yerinde na to semia bande na barabo karaki banyareko karobora uito ande batobati korumera nangwa kera ngambe amona bakaga monga bane na kutobwa bande tume na basa etura bande ni na bakaga muri abande weni ya no mwaga
I will only talk about Naomi, who in every way is Kemunto more than Naomi. My mother gave birth to me, na nikaitwa Steve Momani, but I've been accepted into the world as Osoro, and to a very big extent, I'm not Osoro without Kemunto, who is Naomi. People believe that Kemunto and I have a beautiful backstage experience, but it's not true. But I think I will celebrate her even more today and on this day because she has managed to make the world believe that we are a perfect kind of couple, unless friends. She's younger by all means. She could be celebrating 22 or 23. 21. And you're probably much older. The third floor.
We can say early 20s and early 30s. Early 20s.
At the second floor, at the third floor.
People are about to find the bride and pleasure in taking my time of speech, but I don't mind. So, maybe they are right or wrong, still. But the point is, no, I deserve this time. I deserve this time by all means. So, to a greater extent, I'm Osoro, and so many people, Eric, so many people, like, the reason I'm relevant today, probably I could be dead or irrelevant somewhere in some corner in Rioga village. But we met like 2 years ago, and she, in so many ways, has given me reason to keep fighting and to keep moving and doing what at some point I had lost hope in. She's Naomi Mabeya. But to me, she's Kemunto, and she's my wife. My wife in the sense that she has given me a reason to look at the future. She has opened possibilities that I think more than anything, more than anybody else, more than my mom, more than my sister, more than my friends, she has a special place in my life and in my future. And having been here today, it being possible that I can hug her and tell her happy birthday is something so big. You're special human being to my life, and you have a great future. And I hope I'll be a part of it. Happy birthday.
The new personal driver. Yeah, but because I get in a piggy. When you saw those things, I didn't know. None not again to cover, none not to our end. None about the
Oh my God.
To it, Manga Monere. Lakini nyasane roto kiligaiga na nuko bakirambia mone sentu mwachire sentu kwa celebrate birthday ya 22nd ando
Majoma.
Sina ichi. Okay, celebrate birthday ya lero ando sawa nyasa by next year ngakibuneye konya ya soto seri ni twins na watoka ndapo tulinenda to celebrate Atlanta.
Amen.
Atlanta, Georgia. Atlanta.
Na watu mange noko mwisha happy birthday na nyasato seni na tokonye screen toka.
Wow, thank you. I don't know why you chose to give me this last chance to speak, but I want to say that I'm honored to be here. It wasn't my plan to be here tonight, but my brother there ambushed me and told me, you know what, we were very tired and very hungry, and he said, bro, we got some food somewhere. I was like, where is that?
Come on, bro, you hear that?
Yes, so we came over here and thank you for the food that you've given us and what we've shared here.
Amen.
I just want to say that what we have shared here in terms of the games we've played here, Harrison has really enjoyed. It was a good exercise that we've achieved this evening.
That's right, bro.
Now, what I want to say to you, dear Naomi, is that this day, or maybe this birthday, let it be a reason for you to continue with whatever you are doing. Let it be a reminder that you were born on this day and you have a life and a life of purpose. You were born and you are born with a life of purpose. Amen. And some of us have actually tasted some of your purpose to do something. And when you see all of us come here, it's because we are a society that cares. We are friends who cares.
That's right, bro.
Because they say it's glorious when people different
calibers,
scores, and
exactly come together. It's glorious.
That's right, bro.
When we have a photographer, we have a director right there, we have a singer like me, and we have actors here. I'm also an actor, but I've not yet started. Well, when we come together, togetherness is unity. So we've shared a lot in the other room, and just set your goals right and know your purpose. And what I like about you is you're self-driven. You're self-driven in whatever that you're doing, because not so many girls, not so many ladies have been able to do what you're doing.
That's right, bro.
Because I say it's about that is within you, and is what we call passion. The passion you have will take you places. Have faith, and furthermore, trust in God. God,
oh, yes.
God is the one who has everything in store that you long for. He'll give and grant the desires of your heart.
Amen.
So remember, every time anything you do, to remember God, because He is the one who will actually materialize anything that you want in life.
Yes.
So with those simple remarks, everything is possible, and maybe some of the things you can learn from me. Let me say, let's celebrate her birthday together with love, and joy.
That's right, bro.
Yes. And everyone here to thank God for this day.
For this day.
Because I didn't get to celebrate my birthday last month, because 2 days to my birthday I was attacked by a possible gang robbers.
Oh,
just right in town.
Oh my God.
They almost killed me on my birthday.
Oh, God forbid.
But because I serve God and I always remember God in prayers,
yes, Lord,
He was able to take me and carry me through.
Thank you, Jesus.
So that's why I'm saying that every day, in whatever you do, in whatever shootings that you do, remember to pray, remember God, and ask His guidance. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Naomi. Happy birthday to you. Begin with a lot of Happy birthday
kata kiki kata